Okay, so you've already placed a subscription order once. How do you manage that? Now, every month or whatever time period you're going to be receiving your subscription order, you will get an email ahead of time, just kind of giving you a heads up that, hey, your subscription is coming up. In that email, there's a link that will take you to the place where you can manage your subscription. Another way where you can manage your subscription is to log into your Keto Chow shopping account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And when you go to log in, the first thing you'll see is your Keto Chow rewards. Now, the Keto Chow subscriptions do count towards rewards because you're paying stuff and it adds to your rewards balance. But one thing you cannot do is use rewards to pay for a subscription. And that's because when you use the rewards, it generates a coupon code. And the normal coupon codes do not work for subscriptions. They only work for regular orders. So I'm just going to scroll down past that. In here, you have the order history and you have managed subscriptions. So you go into the managed subscriptions, it'll connect up, bring you to your subscription account. There's this little drop down here where you can do delivery schedule, subscriptions, billing information, and purchase history. So one thing to note, it's like, well, what can I do with this? Well, I can edit, but I can't actually do anything. Here you go. Drag over. Boom, there it is. And that's just because this is on mobile. If this was on a desktop view, the edit and cancel would just be really easy to see, really apparent. Unfortunately, with mobile, you have to scroll over to the side. So here's one that I canceled, and I could come in here and reactivate it. But in this case, I have that subscription that I just put in there. I'm going to come in here and edit. So this is the cookies and cream. Do I want to change the flavor? Maybe chocolate mint. Great, let's save that. Do I want to change when it's going to be delivered? Right now it's on every 1 month. Let's say I really like chocolate mint. So let's change the delivery schedule. I want to have it delivered every 2 weeks. It's easy as that. Once you've come in here, once you have created a subscription, you can change it to whatever you want. And you can update the payment information, you can change the shipping address. So in subscriptions, it just gives you kind of an overview of all the different things that you have on order. And purchase histories will tell you all the things that you've previously purchased, things like that. In this case, this is a dummy account. Juan Paco Pedro de la Mar. I mean, come on. John Jacob Jingleheimer Smith in Spanish. Billing information, you can change what credit cards you have on file. In this case, I don't have one because it's just a dummy. And again, so subscriptions just lists out all the different subscriptions that you have, whether they're active or canceled. In this case, the chocolate mint's coming every 2 weeks. Chocolate toffee and banana are coming every 1 month. Here's where it really gets interesting is you go into delivery schedule, and it'll give you basically a breakdown of everything that you have on recurring schedules and when it's going to happen. So on May 11th, I'm going to get a chocolate mint, a banana, and a chocolate toffee. On May 25th, because it's every 2 weeks, I'm just only going to get a chocolate mint. Then I'm going to get a chocolate mint again, because again, it's every 2 weeks. Then on June 11th, I'm going to get a banana and a chocolate toffee because they're on a monthly schedule where they're coming, in this case, on June 11th. And then the chocolate mint is kind of off schedule. So you could set this up to have a kind of complicated if you wanted to. I wouldn't recommend having like multiple different ones because if they're all on the same schedule, then I'm going to be able to take advantage of reduced shipping or even free shipping. In the case where I had 4 of these coming at the same time, well, I was getting free shipping. So let's come back here to subscriptions. There's that chocolate mint again. It's on every 2 weeks. I'm going to edit that. I'm going to change the delivery schedule. Change it to every 1 month. There we go. And now when I come back in here to the delivery schedule, well, it's going to have all of the stuff in here. No, it's May 11th, June 11th, July 11th. So let's say I know that in July I'm not going to need stuff. I'm going to go ahead and skip. Come back down again. There's June 11th. There's July 11th. You see that says unskip because I'm skipping my my delivery of the, in this case, chocolate mint and banana. Let's skip chocolate toffee as well. So now all of the stuff that I was normally ordering in July is just going to be skipped. Great. Let's say that I wanted to cancel. So I could cancel an individual item in July if I wanted to, or I could cancel the entire subscription outright. And once again, see, skipping just allows you to skip a particular month. Let's go in here to subscriptions. So I've got chocolate mint is coming every 1 month. I'm going to hit cancel. Hey, why are we canceling? Well, for instance, if you select I already have more than I need, this is kind of cool. Hey, do you want to skip it? Yes. Yes, I do. Let's skip the next one. And so it allows you to have a lot of control over when your stuff is going to be coming. It also gives you the ability to really take control of, planning stuff ahead. So if you're doing stuff on a subscription, you can take advantage of the free ground shipping that's available to U.S. addresses if the order is over $200. That way, stuff's just always going to show up exactly like it's supposed to. You'll see that the next charge, well, I've got some that's coming in June, some that's coming in May, because once again, I skipped the chocolate mint. So there you go. Lots of different options that are available, lots of control that you have for subscriptions.